Okay, so our whole chapter is on quadrilaterals, right? Let's refresh. What makes a quadrilateral a quadrilateral?
4 sides.
Just any 4 sides. As a matter of looks like it just has to have 4. And then from that, we have either non-parallelograms or parallelograms. So what we've been dealing with so far are all parallelograms, right? Now we're moving on to rectangles. Is that going to fall below non-parallelograms or parallelogram?
Non-parallelogram.
So if I think of a rectangle,
Opposite.
are opposite sides equal?
Yes.
Are opposite sides parallel?
Yes.
Are opposite angles equal?
Yes.
Are consecutive angles equal?
Yes.
Do my diagonals bisect each other?
Yes.
Maybe?
Yes.
We'll figure it out. But yeah, it is a parallelogram. It's just a very specific kind. Okay? So, a rectangle has all the same properties of a parallelogram plus these 2. And that's what makes it a rectangle. That it has 4 right angles. And your diagonals are equal. Congruent. So that's fun. Just adding to our little toolbox of properties here, guys. 4 right angles, which I feel like we knew without even having to talk about it. These are right angles in the corner. And then our diagonals are congruent. So AC equals BD in this picture here. And then today, all you're going to be doing is finding either missing angle or side measures. That's it. Okay?
That's easy.
That's all we're doing. So let's start with some side measures.
Okay.
QR. What do we think QR is equal to? Yeah, opposite sides are equal. SR, 24. Nothing gets past you. What about SQ? This guy right here. Interesting. Yeah, very interesting. Well, let's just look. If I trace out this big triangle, what kind of a triangle is it?
Right angle.
Right angle. So what theorem are you thinking?
90.
Pythagorean theorem.
Oh, I have no idea.
So 24 squared plus 10 squared equals our x squared. We'll go like this so we know it goes to SQ. Anyone 24 squared? Less than 625. I know. 576. Beautiful. Plus 100 equals x squared.
So 676.
Yeah.
And then that square, or that root is 26.
Ooh, I love when they're whole numbers. X equals 26. Sweet. So a little Pythagorean theorem never hurt anyone. Kind of. What about PR?
26.
Yeah, because diagonals are equal. And then QT,
13.
half of it. If you want to write that, divided by 2 equals 13. Good job. That was good. Let's try some angles. Oh, I wish these were numbered, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. MJK. Let's figure that guy out. So this guy right there, what would that measure be? 90. The whole thing's 90. NJL. What about this little guy? How'd you get it? Good word. Subtract from 90. Should I write that here just in case? JLK. 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 This guy. What do you think that guy is? Yeah, because what kind of angles are these two? Alternate interior.
She would have never known.
KML.
No, I wouldn't.
What about that guy?
27.
How'd you get 27, sir? I like it.
It looks like 27.
So your corner angles, guys, are just two angles. If this guy's 63, this is 27. Now let's look. What kind of a triangle is this? Isosceles. What do you know about base angles? They're the same.
So then it would be 180 minus 27 minus 27.
For this one?
Yeah, the last one.
Yep. Yep. Then to find this guy right here, we're going to take 180 minus our 27s. What'd you get, Gabe?
126.
Good work.
This is gonna be so hard.
It's not.
Yeah.
Okay, the next example is finding sides and angles. Try your best, and then I'll put answers up here slowly to see how far you get before you get stuck. You're doing exactly what we just did by yourself. I believe in you.
Wait, what are we supposed to do?
The next one. Because you're looking for sides and angles. And I'll just slowly put up the answers.
How is
Label your picture, it might help you, or fill in everything you can and then look and see what you're asked. That might help. Let's see, DB.
No, it's
that's what I do?
Yeah, then just crunch up the numbers.
I did not hear the.
Is AP 29.1?
Because it's just.
Sydney would never do that.
Yeah, see,
About, I round it.
33.
I rounded it because it's pretty close to 33, right?
I just Wait, you did not, isn't it supposed to be 21? Because you have an EB equaling 42. And it's DB.
Oh, yeah. Nope.
Yeah?
EB is 21.
No. Yeah, but you have it as 42.
The whole segment, the whole diagonal is 42. That's why I have outlined it in red. Is that confusing you?
No, that's fine.
I'll fix it.
Well then why shouldn't your answer though be wouldn't your answer though be over 21 though?
No, because if I draw my big right triangle, it's 26 squared
it has to be the right.
plus x squared equals that whole side.
How are you?
Got them all. Got most between and got none? Alright, you're lying. Alright, good.
I got some.
Okay, then we're just gonna do a little algebra to make our life interesting. Okay, what do we know about these two angles, kids?
Add 180.
They add to 180? Okay, let's call this guy angle 1 and this guy.
They're equal to 90. Never mind.
Yeah, because really this angle is the same as this one right here. And I know that's a right angle. So this guy plus this guy has to equal 90. Gotta love alternate interior angles. Add our like terms. Everyone? Okay, but now let's answer the question. It says find the measure of angle XZW. So where is that? This angle right here. So I can plug into this guy, right? And find it? Because they're the same. What's 5 times 13? 65. I can't mental math today. 57. Good work, kids.
Or couldn't you just do angle 1 and then do it 90?
You sure could. Is that what you did? Did you get the same answer?
Yeah, it's a lot.
It was?
It's 33.
Oh, yeah. Subtract from 180. Oh.
So do 90.
Okay, one more. One more. Solve for x.
So 180. So the 46.
Where is 46, Hayden?
DHG.
How'd you get 46 for this angle here?
Supplementary.
Yep. Okay, what kind of a triangle is triangle DGH? So could I figure out what our base angles have to equal? Because what's 180 minus 46? 134. And then I have to split equally between these two guys. So what's 134 divided by 2?
67.
So now I know this guy has to equal 67. So we can find x now.
Wait, what is that thing?
Because we said it was isosceles, right?
So you can't just do 10x plus 14.
Yep, you could do that. Nope, that's perfect. Definitely more than one way to do it. That's just how my brain saw it, so I did it that way. You guys get 12?
Yeah.
Yeah?